Hello students, today we will discuss from exercise 7.1 from coordinate geometry, question number example 1 and 2. So open your book and see example 1. So here we write the question, see the question, do the point 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3, 2, 3 form a triangle? If so, name the type of triangle formed. So 3 points are given. Which type of triangle this one? So previous video we discussed isosceles triangle. If two sides equal, then the triangle be isosceles triangle. If three sides, distance of three sides equal, then this one equilateral triangle. Now here, if three sides are unequal, but sum of the two side distance is greater than the third side, then to form a triangle, and this triangle is right angle triangle. Let us see which type of triangle this one. So first of all, name them the points A 3 2, B minus 2 minus 3, C 2 3 are the given points. Now we write A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Now using distance formula to find the answer. So AB, we write the formula. Now we write x1 3, two, three plus 2, 2 plus 3, 5 whole square, 5 whole square, 25, 25, root 50. So AB is equal to root 50. Okay. Now BC, we find BC. Minus 2 whole square, minus 3 whole square, minus 2 minus 4, minus 6 whole square, 16, 36, root 52. Now we find AC, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2. 3 minus 2 whole square, 2 minus 3 whole square, 1 whole square, minus 1 whole square, 1 plus 1, root 2 AC. Here we see distance of all three sides be unequal. Now which to do? Now first again we come AB. AB is equal to 50, squaring both sides. Both sides. AB whole square is equal to root 50 whole square. AB square is equal to 50. This is number 1. Same thing. BC is equal to root 52. Squaring both sides. Okay. Squaring both sides, AC whole square, root 2 whole square, AC square is equal 2. Now we see AB square 50, BC square 52, AC square 2. Now we add smaller number. So AC square 2, BC square 52, AB square 50. Here we do. AB square plus AC square. AB square 50, AC square 2. So if adding we get 52. This is equal to BC square. So therefore we will get BC square is equal AB square plus AC square. Okay. So since the sum of any two of this distance is greater than the third distance. Here since the sum of any two of distance is greater than the third distance, the points A, B, C are form a triangle. Okay. Also BC square is equal AB square plus AC square. By converse theorem of Pythagoras theorem, we know that here if we write a triangle, greater side be BC is equal to the other two sides, sum of the other two sides. So BC is a hypotenuse. Opposite angle of BC, that is AB 90 degree according to converse theorem of Pythagoras. So we have angle A 90 degree. So if one angle be 90 degree of a triangle, then this triangle form a right angle triangle. So therefore ABC is a right angle triangle. So I hope you understood. If three sides be equal, then we know that equilateral triangle. If two sides be equal, then we know that isosceles triangle. Here all the three sides, here we see all the three sides be unequal. Then we square both the sides. Next, two smaller sides adding. You see, adding the two smaller sides, we get the third side. So that is BC square is greater than AB square and AC square. So according to converse theorem of Pythagoras, we know that if sum of the square of two sides is equal to the third side, then the greater side be hypotenuse. Opposite angle of the hypotenuse be 90 degree. If a triangle form a 90 degree angle, then we know that this triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we discuss example 2. See the question, example 2. 4 points are given. Show that these 4 points, the vertex of a square or not. Show that the point 1, 7, 4, 2, minus 1, and minus 4, 4 are the vertices of a square. So given points are A, B, C, D. This 4 point is a vertices of a square or not. So given points we will write to show that A, B, C, D it is required to prove A, B, C and D are the vertices of a square. Okay. Now we take A 1 7, B x2 y2 4 2, C -1 D x4 y4 -4 4. Now first of all we know that 4 point will form a quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is either square or rhombus or parallelogram or rectangle. So the 4 point is the vertices of a square when the 4 point the vertices of a square. If according to property, if 4 sides distance of 4 sides be equal and their diagonals are equal in measure, then the 4 points is a vertices of a square. So we know that. Then we find the distance AB, BC, CD, AD and then 2 diagonal AC and BD. All 4 sides equal and the diagonals be equal, then we can say ABCD is a vertices of a square. Okay. So first we find AB. One minus 4, 7 minus 2, minus 3, 5 square, 9 plus 25, 34. Okay. Next we find BC. 4 minus 1 whole square, 2 minus 1 whole square, 4 plus 1 whole square, 2 plus 1 whole square, 5 whole square, 3 whole square, 25, 9, 34. Now we find BC, AB, next we find BC, next we find CD. x3 minus x4 whole square, y3 minus y4 whole square, minus 1 minus 4, minus 1 minus 4, minus 1 plus 4, minus 5, 3 whole square, 25, 9 plus 25, root 34. CD. Next we find AB. X1, 1 minus 4, plus 7 minus 4 whole square. 1 plus 4, 3 whole square, 5 whole square, 9, 25 plus 9, root 34. See here, all sides be equal. Distance of all sides be equal. Root 34, root 34, root 34, root 35. Now, these 4 points are either square or rhombus. It is square or rhombus. How to find, confirm, how to confirm it? If we find AC and BD. Okay? So all sides be equal. Next we find after AD. After AD, next you will find AC and BD. AC. x1 minus x3 whole square, y1 minus y3 whole square. x1, 1 minus minus 1. 7 minus minus 1. 1 plus 1. 7 plus 1. 2 whole square. 8 whole square. 4 plus 64. Root 68. Now BD. x2 minus x4 whole square, y2 minus y4 whole square, 4 minus minus 4, 2 minus 4, 4 plus 4, minus 2 whole square, root 68. Now we decide if the two diagonals are equal, then A, B, C, D are the vertices of a square. So we get AB is equal BC is equal CD is equal AD, and two diagonal AC is equal BD. According to property, we can say A, comma B, C and D are the vertices of a square. So I hope if 4 points are given and then ask you the 4 points are which type of quadrilateral. So we find 4 sides and their diagonal. If 4 sides be equal and their diagonal be equal, then the quadrilateral form a square. Again, if 4 sides be equal but their diagonals are not equal, suppose, then the quadrilateral become a rhombus. If opposite sides are equal, that is AB is equal CD, BC is equal AD, and two diagonals are equal, then it is form a rectangle. Again, opposite sides equal but diagonals are not equal, then it is form a parallelogram. So if we find 4 points are form a quadrilateral, then we find all 4 sides, distance of all 4 sides and their diagonals. After that we decide which type of quadrilateral is formed. Okay? So here we complete example 1, example 2. I hope you understood. Now question number 6. Question number 6 we try. Question number 1, 2, 1 and 3 we try. Homework. Question number 6, 1 and 3. Okay, today we finish the class here. Next class we will discuss another question. Thank you.